It's Makeup by Deej. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today I created this look for you guys, just spring vibes, and I was really feeling like this periwinkle dusty blue between purple and blue light color that I have going on the inner eye corner here. So I know I've been going for forever. I haven't even been on my channel since it's been 2018, so hi and happy new year to all of you guys. In this video we're just doing a lot of talking, chatting, we're getting ready, talking about what's gonna be going on my channel and all that good stuff. If you guys like this video and you enjoyed it and you want more, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to leave me a comment if you have any requests. Let me know what you want to see on my channel. Also, all the products that I use will be listed down below in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Deej so you can see more pictures of this look and things. And without further ado, let's get on to the video, you guys. I'm just gonna get started. Gonna moisturize my face. My Vaseline. So this is gonna be all types of awkward because I haven't filmed in 5,000 ever. I'm just gonna prime with the Nivea Men post-shave balm stuff that I always use. So what's up, guys? I've been gone forever. I don't want this video to be entirely too long because I'm gonna get really annoyed trying to edit all of my talking out. Next, I'm going to just lightly go over my stash area because this part just always shows up a little darker on those brown skin gals. But yeah, so like I want my channel to grow, and I want you guys to be like more part of my life, and I want to incorporate you guys more in my life. I just don't know, it's kind of a scary thing to do, actually, to incorporate strangers into your life, because like I'm not a very share my personal life with people. I'm not a sharer. Put on concealer. I'm trying to like keep the tutorial and the makeup part going. This is LA Girl Pro in Toffee. That was the BH foundation concealer palette number 2 that I was using to do that. And so anyway, what I was saying was I'm not really the type of person to share all my personal information in life and all that with people. This is the L'Oreal True Match in shade Cappuccino, my favorite foundation ever. I mix it with the Revlon Color Stay in 400 Caramel. This is like my shade, but like a little lighter. I talked about this in one of my videos like last year. I like to blend in my foundation with a brush. As of now, I always find myself switching back and forth between brush and beauty blender. I don't know, it's just however I'm feeling at the time in my life. I want to try to build a relationship with my following, with my subscribers and everything that I have here, because I just want to grow this channel, because like I just can see that happening for us, and I want it to happen for us. I'm going with the Real Technique sponge to blend all this out. But I started blending with a brush because it's so much faster than blending with a sponge. Because the sponge is just like, I don't know, it takes 5 years to do. I've been using the Makeup Revolution banana powder. I put it in my air sponge cap like this. I put it in that just so I can like pick it up with my sponge and stuff. But yeah, I like it. I don't know if I would say I like it more than the Ben Nye, because I don't know, I feel like Ben Nye banana powder is just perfect in my opinion. I want to try the Sacha Buttercup at the same time. I don't know if the Sacha Buttercup would be too yellow, because I'm like both yellow and red, so I don't want to lean too much towards either. That's me setting a smile on. I get that from Carly Bible. Shout out Carly Bible. Going with this big fluffy brush from Real Techniques and buff all that away. Then I take my foundation powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Set and Smooth. So yeah, I want to talk about stuff on my channel, like, you know, talk about stuff. But like, I've never been a talk about stuff person. Like, like I would never try to sit down and have a deep conversation with anybody. I'm one of those people that avoid deep conversations. Is that weird? I'm just not a very like invasive, like the wall of community. Well, this is personal. I like to stay on this side. I don't know. I think this is like the really cool thing about makeup. Like, I've highlighted, but I haven't contoured or bronzed yet. But like, it looks like I've already contoured and bronzed a bit. But now I'm gonna, okay, what? Lip gloss showing out. Now it's obvious, now I have to address it. I just went and cleaned my lips off, you know, because foundation gets on them and it just looks disgusting to me. I don't want foundation lips. I mean, I'm not saying like if you have foundation lips it's disgusting. It's just like, to me, I just feel like, I need to go get my lips back, put some lip gloss on, and now we're here. Really out of my CoverGirl Queen Bronzer in Ebony Bronze. I use this sometimes, my other Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is the matte and poreless one, but it's in the shade 360 Mocha. Yeah, it gives me a pretty nice contour. And this is what I got this color for, but I didn't use it for the longest because I thought it was gonna show up too gray, but surprisingly not. Like a really nice color. That's why I like Maybelline. Something I just incorporated back into my routine. I am slowly but surely getting back into wearing blush. Because I'm not dedicated to wearing blush, I don't buy blush. So I'm gonna be using this orange eyeshadow from the Modern Mattes palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna put it on this dual fiber brush. Pat it like this on my wrist, and then just swirl it and look stupid at the same time. Yeah, like that. Like, it makes me look rosy, and I like that. To be quite honest, I've been doing my brows like a different way, but today I'm gonna try to go back to what I was doing before I started that different way to do my brows. This pencil that I got from the hair store. I'm gonna outline my brow. Ooh, high brow. Okay. See, I was using this as a lip liner. I think it says it's an eye and lip liner, but okay. Fill it in with this. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of red eyeshadow in the front, just to blend with my, you know. I have to be like really in my mirror to do my brows, like, cause I don't want them to be crooked. Like, they be crooked sometimes, and I just want them to look right. I just want my brows to look right. I'm gonna clean up underneath my brows and on top. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer as an applicator, and I'm using my NYX eyeshadow base in Skintone. I haven't eaten, my stomach's like and someone's cutting their grass. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear that. There will be background music in this video. Just actually noticed it, like myself. I don't know how long that has been going on. Okay, I'm gonna finish my brows off camera. I'll be right back because this is taking 10,000 years, which, okay, don't you guys just love when the camera falls down while you're recording? Yeah, me too. So certain stuff I used to not sacrifice. Like, I'd be like, okay, well, this is just gonna have to be this way. I used to be so stuck in a routine that I wouldn't want to change it because of like contour lines being like under my highlight line or something like that. And like, no, because this is the way I want to do it. This is the way I'm supposed to do it. But like, you can't get so caught up in a routine is what I learned, that you think it can't change. And that's a life lesson. Look at me. Life lesson. Don't get so caught. Yeah, no, it's not that deep for real though. With makeup, like, you can't get, there's like no routine. It's all generally gonna be the same, really. You just end up changing things around. Just gonna do this, give it a little brush into the center. You could leave it like this, but what I like to do to get it really snatchified, is go into my BH Cosmetics, this old thing, Contour and Blush 2 palette. I've had this since I started my channel. Since before I started my channel. Up the sides of my nose, I brush it off a little bit, because this stuff is really pigmented, which is why I started using it again, because I'm like, I gotta use this stuff. But you see, like, I'm just erasing the side shadow, further snatching the nose out. I like to do it with this brush. I got this out of one of my Naked palettes. I don't remember which one. I think this is from the Naked 2 palette, actually. My holy grail trick, the water. It just melts everything into my skin and make it look like skin, not powder in thickness. It is beauty guru time. Right, and then a fan. Then I take the sponge that we were using like 30 minutes ago. This is how long it takes me to do this. I like to pat it in because sometimes, like, some drops are bigger than the other, because I don't really know. That spout like sprays out uneven. The drops are different sizes, and if like you let it air dry, one drop may just like sit there and melt in the skin and just like ruin your life. So I'm gonna prime my lids using the same like eyeshadow base. It's like so hard to do like a what? Okay, so that's something else about me. Like, when people do stuff like that, like, I don't let them slide, because I don't let myself slide. And because what? Just take your time. Like, why are you in a rush? Take your time and speak clearly, enunciate, and you'll do just fine. I enjoy not wearing makeup during the week. Like, sometimes it just makes me feel like not wearing makeup and the skin breathe and stuff, you know, what you should do. Because I heard it's important somewhere. Try not to like use too much time talking about nothing. So this video won't be so long, so I don't have so much to edit, so I won't feel discouraged about editing and never getting this video up, because that's what happened last time. So I forgot to highlight my skin. I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics brush that I've had like 2 years and haven't used it till now. Right now I'm going to highlight using my new favorite. That was very weird. And I'm going to highlight using my new favorite highlight from Makeup Revolution. It's called Gold Addict Strobe Highlighter. It's that light color, but when it goes on, it's gold. Like, it's just so pretty on and cry. I need to post more on my makeup Instagram. I have a personal Instagram that is not public, and I don't know if I've ever said that to this audience, YouTube audience, but like, I keep them separate just because I don't know, you know, I don't know if I should like merge that stuff. Leave it. This video, I just don't want it to be longer than 20 minutes. If you can watch an episode of Dragon Ball Super in 20 minutes, you can watch this in 20 minutes. This is the show, okay? I am the show. Start off with this color from the Urban 99 Luxe Beach Cosmetics palette. Into this one, and I'm mixing because I want this to be kind of cool tone. Just, yeah, all these colors. How you find yourself just like wanting to keep it simple. You're like, I don't want people thinking that I'm doing too much, and it's like, you gotta get out of your head, because you know what they're gonna think? They're just gonna think her makeup looks like, realistically, like me, I'm a 21-year-old college student. You end up in people's apartments like crazy when you're in college. You know, that you know through your friend, or you know through somebody else. I mean, you be there with somebody else, you know, with your friends. Don't just be at random people's apartment by yourself. So, like, say you're going to a kickback and you're like, I don't want to do too much, you know, I'm just going here to this kickback. You know, I don't need a cut crease for that. But sometimes you do need a cut crease for that. Don't let the kickback ruin your artisticness. Like, take the time one day and just see, like I love the makeup process. Sometimes doing makeup, you know, just have my music on, just seeing what happens. I'm gonna mix like this purple color and like some blues over here to give me like a nice pretty periwinkle situation. I'm going to do the other eye off camera so I don't make this video a whole day long. Okay, so we're back. I have the other eye done. Into the Naked palette and grab Virgin and spray my brush with some water. Oh, look how pretty. I need more. Now I'm going to be applying a liquid eyeliner, a swing. Okay guys, so we are back. I finished the eyes off camera because I thought I was recording, then I wasn't. So then I got frustrated and did everything else. I'm gonna attempt to do something pretty cool with the lips. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you want to see, all that. Everything that I use on my face will be listed down below. And yeah, I'm excited to be back on my channel. All that. Goodbye. Love you. Mwah.